Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here with the next video. I don't like to kill the time, and that's why I want to continue with our small casino project. And for me, about the role that mission accomplished, and you know that if you want to add more future about it, and you know how it should happen. And now, that's when we are talking about Spring Boot application and object-oriented programming, you are going to understand what's the usage of object-oriented programming. And now let's see. I have a small casino with a single game, roulette. And now let's take a look. I wanna add for the next game as BlackJack, and let's see how we implement BlackJack in Java. I've never played BlackJack. Before I've played 21, but really not BlackJack, and we have to take a look with Uncle Google to discover how BlackJack systems work and how rewarding programs works, and that's why I'm waiting. Yeah, BlackJack rules. Let's see what we're getting from Uncle Google about that thing. BlackJack. As you know, some things that I know about BlackJacks, that is after number 10, the goal of BlackJack is to beat the dealer hands without going over 21. Face cards are worth 10. This is the first rule. The face cards. There are Jack, Queen, Kings. Jack, Queen, King, and we have also Ace. These are 10. Or let me see. No, face cards are 10. Each player selects 2 cards. If you go over 21, you bust, and the dealer wins, regardless of the dealer's hands. Okay. My computer is killing. What happened there? Are you also hearing that rave sounds? Nothing to worry about it. This is my let's me make my USB card. Just wait a moment. Okay, guys, as you know, as you follow my channel, I'm not going to stop the video and mix them. And if you take a look at all of videos, these are recorded in one approach. It's mean none of my videos stopped, mixed. The problems we should face together. Okay, and now what is this allemal? Wat is dit allemaal, jongeman? Wat is dit allemaal, jongeman? Okay, let me check it out. That's why today is shiny day, and I don't know. Maybe this is last video what I'm going to record. It depends on my situation. It's really bad at the time, and I'm really open for any work opportunity. It doesn't matter where I'm in. Okay, and now for sure we know we have to deal with the cards. Actually, we have to make cards. Let me thinking about that. uh, object oriented. How we are be able now to make in our alt project a new game, because you know this is just roulette one. Let me see, or we've loaded just the right project. Even kijken. Let me see, where is our project? Let me see, I'm not sure about this. I don't know where I've saved Casino 1, huh? Casino 1, even kijken. Casino 1. This is a good one. And now let's start it. Imagine you write that program, and after many weeks, you get a new new project to add, for example, new game to our casino. We don't need to change any of our previous classes, just the new things what I'm going to deal with. I'm making just new class, and I'm saying it's card class in the same packages. And first we are going to make it, after that put it in GitHub. Here we know what we want: a string suite, a value of, and I have a string, a color, I have a string name. A card has a value, color, name, and suite. Okay, these are the basic variables of our class, and actually basic variables and important variables, what we should deal with. Okay, and now here we have to initialize that variables. How we can do that? We are be able to do that several approach. What I'm like to do it, here I'm making constructor to initialize that values, but here I'm going in this approach I'm going to initialize suite and value, okay. It means we have a constructor string suite int value, and here I'm getting value, get suite, get color, just get all of them, okay. And I'm going to make a getter, get value, get suite, get color. Okay, these are our getter and set. Yes, no setter is a getter. Okay, as you see, this is just a simple class to begin. Okay, now here in my constructor, we have to initialize them. Look, there are two other variables, color and name. And how we are getting our numbers, and how we have to initialize our card from 1 to 10. Let me let me do like this. I want to give the name at my cards. And how I'm doing that, if you remember here, it say face cards are worth 10, and we have to make a method here to do that. And with other word, I'm making a public method as a string. I'm saying give the name, give them name, for example, give them name. It accept nothing. What I'm doing now here right now, I'm saying here string new name, and I'm saying if just we are going to approach with our logic. Okay, if the value that's coming is equal to 1, okay, it's mean new our card is just ace, you know that, okay, number 1 is ace, and you know that. Else if the value is gonna be 11, what it say new card is just jack, okay, that's jack. And else if else if value is equal to 12, that's queen. New name is equal to queen. Else if value 13, that's king. New our card is going to be king. Otherwise, else new card, we don't have joker here, we have other our card is arson, okay, the name of our son. Not seeing him for months, but doesn't matter. I'm not seeing him for months now already, but he has influence on my codes right now. Okay, this is how we are planning to deal with the cards, the face cards 11, 12, 13, and like this easily. Okay, this is the easiest one. And now let's do something else. Okay, and what's that? I'm saying here I'm saying now here, good, you give the face cards already value like that. Let me say that. And now here just wait, here just return let me here, because that's a string method, we should return something, and that's new name, closing it, small piece of method. And now I want to determine colors. I'm saying a string, public string, color, string color, and open it. I'm saying okay, that's good, a string color. The color is black or white, or sorry, black or red. Here color, and tell me, and I'm going, if a suit card is not hearth, you know what hearth is, red. Let me see, here is it. Cards, cards 21 for example. face, the red, I don't have car here right now with me, and it wanna say if it's hertz, it's red or diamond. This one, hertz and diamond, these are red, and this is really simple logic. If suit equal to hertz or suit is equal to diamond, what happened? Then color is red. Color is red. Red. Okay. Else color is black. Else color is black, and return also color here. Return color, and here it should be suit. Okay, here we are. Look at what you're doing. Okay, our logic. And now let me see what we should more. And now incoming cards, we have to make also other method to know if it has already a name or not, because at this position we have only Ace, Jack, Queen, and King. These variables or these numbers already defined. But if, for example, number 5 is coming, and that's why we want to know if the cards that player or dealer are going to play with, it is already has a value or not. And that's why I'm saying here, wait, and now we have to this condition, huh? I'm making public boolean. It has name or not? I'm saying if name is equal to name is correct. This is class variable. If name is equal to null, what happened? Return false. Return false. Return false. Here close this and say else, return true. Now with this line I know if the incoming card is face card or something else. If it's something else, we have to do something else. Okay, this is also the name and also color method, and all about that. And now let's see. Let me Now you remember here, huh? The face cards are 10. Face cards was 10, you know that. And now here I'm making other method. I'll make it int because it should return a number. BlackJack value. I'm saying BlackJack BlackJack value. It accept nothing, and I'm saying int value like this. And if, and now here other condition, if get value, because if get value is greater than 10, with other words is jacks, kings, what's coming, you have to assign them like 10. And then what happened is say value is 10. Okay, and here else value is just get value, and here just return value. Okay, now let me check it out, or it's already good enough. Now let me make other two string here. Here I'm making a two string, and this two string I'm going to do like this. Just remove them, and here I'm saying if let me see what's the name of our method. Has name. If has name, sorry guys. Okay, if has name, or let me say this, that has name. After that you say return special name, and this is just name, plus of plus suit. Okay, and else return value plus of suit, and close it. What's our problem? Oh, yeah. Okay, I've made it change on my two-string method, and it show me just specific rules. Okay, And now let me check it out. If I'm not wrong, we have also instance method to return the value of card, that is higher than the current value or smaller than, you know. And for that thing, let's make other method, guys. Let me check it out. Yes. I want to just to check it, huh? Making just other boolean method. Public boolean is higher than or less than. And for this one, we have to accept first cards. Pass it as it's in class. You know that we are passing the class as parameter, and here I'm saying here if this dot value is greater than card, what's coming to this method, that value, what happened, then return true, else return false, else return false. Okay, this is our simple card class to begin. And now this is the one of our class, and now I want to make now a deck of cards. The deck of cards, that other class, that's whole cards. It's mean a card has a 52, a deck of cards has a 52, and just in each suit there are 13. Okay, and now I'm here making other class. Come on, I'm making other class. What happened? Here in this class I'm name it as traditional as deck, and then here in our deck I'm saying just final string is type array type. I'm saying suits, I'm type it with capital letters. It say it's never gonna change, it's just final, you know that. And I'm saying here just open it, heart, diamond, club, and the last one spits. Really I don't know, spits, let's say that. And just close it, take a drink of water. I'm coming back. Okay, nothing is better than a cold water with ice on it. Yes. Now let me see. Let me. I was thinking now, and I think we should make it as static uh, because I wanna use it everywhere. Public static, and this is it. And the next one, cards index, public static final int. This is integer, and I'm saying cards in a deck. Cards in a deck is equal to 52. That's equal to 52. And we have other one. What we got? Another one. I'm copied خوی programmer والله programmer. I'm copy that, paste it here, private static final int cards in a suit. These are 13. These are 13. Okay, now when you play blackjack, after you finish with the first round, the cards after you finish the round, the cards are going to deactivate it for that round. Okay, and that's why I'm saying here we have here card type of array, and I say active pile, and exact the same inactive this card. This card. Okay, and now integer number of active cards int number of discard cards. Okay, this is also simple. These are also simple variables. Okay, the cards that we are playing, these are active, and the cards that we are not playing with, these are non-active. And now let me make a constructor for deck object. It's gonna create active and counting method. I'm going here to make simple constructor to be able to initialize variables. I'm saying a constructor with nothing, an empty constructor, and with this empty constructor I'm saying active file is new cards in deck. Okay, it's going to take the one, and now here just let's make other thing. And what's that? I want here in this class making other things also. I'm saying here this card pal is new card, but cards in deck. Cards in deck. Okay, and now here I'm closing it again, and here number of active cards is equal to cards in deck. And number of discards is equal to 0, and each time we finish the round we have to plus it. Okay, now here we have to make some other methods. When there is no active card, or let me say, first of all, when we want to begin the game, we want to shuffle it, and I'm saying public void shuffle. Here I'm saying again random rand equal to new random, and here I'm saying for, it's just a for loop, int I is equal to 0, I is smaller than cards in deck, and after that is just I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. And here, but one thing here, if active peel is 0 or null, if active peel is equal to 0, it's just array, I is not null. With other word, what you're doing, I'm making other variables int yay and exact. I'm saying do this for one time. J is equal to rand dot next int I plus 1. I plus 1. Yeah, I plus 1, and you do this till active peel I is equal to 0 or null. You swap it, making other method. We want what to do, swap I with J for me. Okay, and now as you see here, it say there is no such as method like this, and we have to make it. Okay, let me see what we got there. Okay, now let's continue it. I want here now to make our swap method. That's what I'm using here. Public void swap. It's swapping. It's changing the position. You see, this is no more. And here accept two variable int I and j. Int I and j, and you see there is no red line here. I'm saying here card, take the card. I'm saying temporary card is equal to active fill with our I. Active fill I is done. After that is equal to active fill j. We want to swap them, huh? And now we have to change the position of both. Active fill j is equal to temporary, like this. Okay. And now let me take other glass of water. And now let me see. I'm going to stop video right now, and I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. And I don't know, guys, these days I'm trying to record video very fast and be active, but my private situation, it's not guessable. It can everything happen, and that's why I see you in the next video.